Hey everyone, so we just released version 72 this morning of Service Buddy with a couple of really cool new features. Want to walk you through one of them right now. So whether it's a quote, job, invoice, purchase order, it works the exact same way. But now you can include attachments when you go ahead and send that record to the client. And it neatly tracks everything in internal notes for you. So here I'm going to send the client this quote. And I can drag in and plug in any photos, documents, floor plans that I want to send to the customer, and the customer will get that record. If it's quote, job, invoice, be able to sign off on it, and also see the attachments that you put in. Another thing that Service Buddy does is it tracks everything in internal notes. So if you jump down here, you can see the photos that you sent over, and then if you click in here, that email will pop up that you sent. Really cool new feature that we've been working on, and it is live for everyone as of this morning.